You're not lazy. You're not broken. If you're stuck in a loop of procrastination, burnout, and zero motivation, this video will explain exactly why your brain is shutting down. And the shocking truth is, it's trying to save you. Millions in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia are silently drowning in this exact trap and don't even know it. But there's a way out. Your brain has one job: keep you alive. And when life feels overwhelming, low money, too many decisions, no time, it flips into survival mode. That means your brain shuts down everything that's not essential. Goals, planning, focus, even self-discipline. You start avoiding tasks, sleeping too much, or not at all. You crave comfort foods, binge Netflix, and you feel like a failure. But you're not lazy. You're just stuck in defense mode. In New York, 1 in 3 adults say they can't concentrate at work. In Los Angeles, searches for "why do I feel tired even after 8 hours of sleep" hit all-time highs. People in London, Sydney, Toronto, all reporting the same. "I want to do more, but I can't move." It's not your fault. It's your environment, stress load, dopamine crashes, and endless digital noise. The way out? One tiny shift. It's not a productivity app. It's not a 10-step routine. It's making your brain feel safe. That's it. When you reduce threat, your brain exits survival mode and reactivates the executive system. That's the part that dreams, plans, builds habits, makes change. The tiny habit? Start your day by doing one low-effort task that signals calm. Examples: making your bed slowly, drinking water mindfully, sitting in sunlight for 60 seconds, putting your phone in another room for 10 minutes. These micro signals tell your brain, "We're safe now," and your brain begins to wake up. Most self-help skips this step. They tell you to grind harder, just start, or build a millionaire morning routine. But if your nervous system is fried, none of that works. You don't need hustle. You need nervous system healing. And it starts with safety, simplicity, and consistency. Do the first calming habit for 3 days, then add another. Stack safety. That's how real change starts. If your brain has been in survival mode for months, you're not broken. You've just been at war with stress. But peace is possible. In the next video, I'll show you how to retrain your dopamine system so your brain actually craves good habits again, and the 3-second trick Navy SEALs use to reset under pressure.